Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club unboxing video. Today we are unboxing this, which has arrived from Ashley, TheCardists. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Did a trade, so I traded a bunch of decks that I wasn't too bothered about for a bunch of decks that he had multiples of. Now I do know what I'm supposed to be getting in this, but he did say that to do an unboxing video because there's a surprise mystery deck in there. Let me get in there first. So we're in. Packing peanuts, the bane of my life, but we'll pull these out one at a time and we'll have a look and see what we've got. So we're in. So we have Bicycle Truth Garden. Very cool. I'll fit all these in on the camera. We've got a silver fashion deck by the looks of it. That's a nice colour, isn't it? Pretty cool. The Truth Gardens in white. I don't want to linger too much on these because obviously I want to review them at some point. Bicycle Luchadors, pretty cool. The Crown deck in red. I think I've got this in green and blue now, so red is handy for certain. Bicycle Raider deck. Yeah, I've not actually handled one of these before. They've been around for a while. I just never got around to buying one, so I'll be interested to get this open. Tallyhos in, I would like to say like teal or like a light blue, minty green almost. Again in yellow, also in purple. Beautiful. We have the Chinese Opera. Pretty mad. Be interested to get into that. Was this embossing? It is. Little tiny, like, that's pretty cool. The Bones. I like that seal. It's pretty cool. Very different. So we have, ooh, this looks a bit mad, doesn't it? Serious tuck case on this one. Card Experiment Playing Card Company. Not sure I know of those. It looks a bit like Space Invaders or a game like for the Atari. Yeah, I look forward to checking them out. I'm not sure what their stock's going to be like or anything really because I've not had a deck by them before, so that'll be quite interesting. Oh, the Artisan Black. Lovely. I've got them in white, so it'd be nice to have them in black. What are these? I don't think these were in our deal. This must be the deck that he'd said that he was gonna chuck in a mystery deck. I don't think I've ever seen this colour before. It's like a mint green, like a Christmas green. Sounds weird. So I'm presuming it's like it's like a fashion deck in like a mint green. Unusual. Doesn't have any information on it. Yeah, no idea. Not seen them before. Very cool. Thank you for that. Russell and Morgan bicycle. I love this back design. Really intrigued me. I like this old style seal, like this. It's like a retro looking seal. Yeah, very cool. Last but not least, we had the Wild West Outlaws, which match the Lawman or whatever it is that I already have. That's pretty cool. And there we have it. Whole bunch. Very nice. Pretty much, I'm really happy with the deal that we did because, I mean, a lot of the decks that I traded with him I really like, but I wasn't up nor down about not having them. And they were all from one series, so they all looked relatively the same, which was a bit disappointing for me. And obviously he's got a massive collection and he sort of has one open, one sealed of a lot of decks and, you know, has a lot of variety, whereas I just get ones that I like the look of. So sent me a load of pictures of ones that he had multiples of and I just picked a load of them. I don't really know anything about any of these. I mean, I know this one. I'm familiar with the Tallyhos, obviously. I've seen the Chinese Opera. Raider, I've never had a look at. Luchadors, I've already got, I think. Truth Garden, I don't know much about that. This deck, I've never seen before. This deck, I've never had a deck from this company, so that's pretty cool. Crown, I've got in a different colour. Fashion decks, yeah. I think I've seen this one. I think that was in the picture that he sent me of what was available, but I don't recognise this. So I'm guessing it must be that one. But yeah, please check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time I will catch you next time God, why is that so hard to say? I'll catch you next time when we will be reviewing... What? Why can't I speak properly? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time where we'll be reviewing or unboxing something else. Take care.